Hi guys, it's been a while since my last video, but welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritvik. I'm a third year MB student at AIM Jodhpur. As many of you requested on my last video that I should film a campus tour, so I decided to film one for you guys. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, some particular areas in our campus are restricted, so I was not able to film those areas, the gym, the auditorium from the inside, and also the central library. You definitely see more of those areas in my future videos, but stay with me on this one. And also, more hostels are being constructed in the campus, so somewhere in the future, the look of the campus will change and it will be much better than what it is right now. Also, one more thing is that I won't be showing my entire room in this video, that will be for a separate video. With that out of the way, let's get started on the campus tour. The campus was established back in 2012 and it is an autonomous institute. The undergraduate courses offered by AIIMS Jodhpur are MBBS, which has 125 seats, and BSc Honours in Nursing, which has 60 seats. Now let's take a tour of the campus. The timestamps will be linked in the description box below, so feel free to jump around to whatever section you want to watch. The building that you see right now is the main college entrance to the academic section of the college, wherein we have all the lecture theatres, the central library, the associated labs for pathology, microbiology, all those labs. And then also we have the subject departments that are there. The whole campus is a centrally air-conditioned space, including the hospital as well as the academic area. The lecture theatres are 4 in number. The lecture theatres are centrally air-conditioned with foldable seats. The capacity of one lecture theatre is nearly 180 seats. We have a dissection hall on the ground floor where the first year students learn how to dissect a human body and study the human body in its entirety. The embalmed corpse is called a cadaver, and I'm not going to lie here, the cadaver to student ratio is by far one of the best that I've ever seen as compared to other medical colleges. The average students to cadaver ratio here at AIIMS Jodhpur is 10 to 12 students per cadaver as compared to other medical colleges where I've seen that there are 5 to 6 cadaver for 200 students. The Anatomy Museum is a space where three-dimensional, artificial as well as natural models or specimens are stored. This picture that you see on the screen right now, these are some embryological models that we use for studying the embryogenesis. These are artificial models built for education purposes only. And this picture that you see right now is of real gross specimens. These are real organs which are stored for education purposes. The museum is a very interesting space if you love watching and studying those models and gross specimens. Next we have the demonstration rooms. These demonstration rooms are used for various tutorials and demonstration purposes, nothing special about them. Next we move on to the labs. The labs here at AIIMS Jodhpur are way to equip for a good learning experience as well as for research purposes. I'll put a few actual clips of the labs on the screen. This lab that you see on the screen right now is the hematology lab, where we conduct some hematology related practicals and study the reactions of the blood. And the next lab that you see on our screens right now is the pathology lab. And this particular microscope is shared between 2 students, so we have ample amount of time for studying. Lab periods are usually for 2 hours. And also we have similar labs for biochemistry, for pharmacology, for microbiology and other labs also. But they all look exactly the same, so yeah. Next we move on to the pathology gross specimen room. This is much similar to the anatomy museum except that we have all the gross specimens here for abnormal organs. Like we have a gross specimen for cyst adenocarcinoma of ovary, or we have one for the wet gangrene of foot. Next we'll move on to the library. The library is a centrally air-conditioned study space that is located on the first floor. It has a wide range of medical textbooks that you can just sit there and read, or you can issue those from the library. Also we have an e-library inside the library where we have 25 computers which can be used by students. I'm sorry I don't have the footage of the e-library because it is closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Next, we'll move on to the hospital. This corridor that you see right now, it connects the academic section of the campus to the hospital. I won't film inside the hospital because it is unethical. Just for the video purposes, the hospital has 6 floors, which are divided into various blocks for particular departments. Example, we have obstetrics and gynecology in the 2nd floor, C block, and we have surgery on 5th floor, A block. We go to these departments for our clinical postings. Next, we have these teaching rooms in each and every block of the hospital, wherein our clinical classes are being taken, and also we discuss some cases and learn from the patients themselves. Well, that is pretty much it for the college area itself. Now moving on, next we have the auditorium. The auditorium is definitely better when compared to other state medical colleges. The seating capacity is well over 1300. It is used for conferences, seminars, for cultural gatherings, for annual functions. When the college is conducting its annual fest, Aura, the auditorium is used for poster drawing, singing, dancing, for fashion shows, and also for stand-up comedy shows. Behind the auditorium, we have the amphitheater. The amphitheater is an open amphitheater that is used for various cultural gatherings like on Basant Panchami. It has a good seating capacity too. Nothing special in particular about the amphitheater, but yeah, it is a good place. Behind the amphitheater, we have the Ayush Hospital. Ayush stands for Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Homeopathy and all those things. Nothing special in particular about the Ayush Hospital, but yeah, we also have an Ayush Hospital there. Next, we move on to the residential area of the campus. We have 3 hostels right now and a few more are being constructed as we speak. The first hostel is the girls' hostel, wherein we have a separate wing for nursing students and a separate wing for MBBS students. Second, we have the postgraduate and the intern hostel. It is a 6-story building with one wing to the final year MBBS students and the other wing for interns and postgraduates. Next, we have the boys' hostel. The boys' hostel is a 5-story building with 50 rooms on each floor, and here students in 1st year, 2nd year and 3rd year live. I'll be doing a room tour video in the future, so I won't show any clips of my room itself. We have 5 mess halls here at AIIMS Jodhpur. The first mess hall is for 1st year MBA students, the second mess hall is for 1st year nursing students, the third mess hall is for senior MBA students, 4th is for senior nursing students, and 5th is for postgraduates. The mess halls are all air conditioned, and I'm not going to comment on the mess food, and just so you know, it's edible. Moving on, next we have the sports complex. Sports facilities here at AIIMS Jodhpur are by far one of the best that I've seen as compared to other medical colleges. We used to have this field that you see on your screen right now in 2019, but this was all cleared up for the hostel space and more hostels are being constructed instead of this. But now the sports complex is completely changed and we have a new sports complex which is just 100 meters from the hostel. We have a central field that is very well maintained. The field is used for both cricket and football. We also have a shaded pavilion which was newly made, and we also have some cricket practice nets where you can see cricketers practicing every now and then. We also have a dedicated area for calisthenics and bodyweight workouts where we have those horizontal bars and tricep depth exercises, and you can do all of those things. Just near this massive field, we have newly constructed volleyball courts, futsal fields, we have newly constructed lawn tennis courts and a basketball court. I'm just going to add the clips of these. The first one that you see, that is the volleyball court. The second one that you see, that is the 5-a-side futsal area. Third one you see, that is the newly constructed lawn tennis court. And the fourth one you see, that is the newly constructed basketball court. All of these fields that you see and the courts are newly constructed and they are very well maintained also. And we have another dedicated space for volleyball, basketball and lawn tennis, which is just outside the hostels. This was made a few years back, but students often play here. This court that you see right now, that is the volleyball court. Just beside the volleyball court, we have the basketball court. Just besides the basketball court, we have 2 lawn tennis courts. Next, moving on, we have the badminton court. We have 2 indoor courts for badminton, and the structure is just beside the boys' hostel. Next, moving on, we have the gym. So when I had joined AIIMS back in July 2018, there was no gym here. So that was kind of a negative point. But the gym was constructed a few months ago. Before the gym was made, people often had to travel outside the campus to some nearby gyms. I'm sorry I couldn't film inside the gym because of the COVID-19 pandemic, but I managed to get my hands on some footage. I'll definitely add some footage of the gym in my upcoming videos, but bear with me on this one. And the next sport that I want to talk about is table tennis. We have a dedicated room for table tennis that was just constructed a few weeks ago. I'm going to add the clip from the table tennis room. This is hands down one of the best indoor sports facilities that I like about my campus. The floor is wooden, the hall is air conditioned, and it is a pleasure to play table tennis. And just for the spatial orientation, this table tennis room is just above the mess premises. Now, talking about the whole vibe of the campus is very well maintained, it is very clean, and the campus is generally green 365 days a year. And the campus is a very peaceful place to live. Also, the security inside the campus is very tight with guards around each and every corner. So, it is a safe place overall, I'd say. That pretty much sums up the whole campus tour thing. With new hostels, food court, and indoor sports facilities being constructed as we speak, I'm sure the campus will look much better in the near future. And if I'll be here by the time all that construction is completed, I'll definitely make an updated campus tour video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd appreciate the efforts put into making this video, please leave a like and share the video on the social media platforms. It helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And also follow me on Instagram. I made a new page for this channel. One more thing before I end this video. I know many of you follow me for my USMLE content, and I'll be doing a USMLE study vlog in the near future. So stay tuned for that one if you're interested.